Welcome back to my kitchen. I wanted to share my new refrigerator just to show you how I like it. It's a GE and it's about the same as our Samsung as far as, it's magnetized on both sides. I have room for some cereal on top. It's shorter than our last refrigerator that was a Samsung. And the freezers are different. The other one was like 4-door French door, where these just are like this. You have a long drawer. I like it a lot better. It's holding our leftovers, but that's good for that drawer. Some fruit in there. And then the bottom is more, it's a lot of stuff. There's a lot of frozen food and ice. It's an ice maker. And here's the section that's smaller. My husband says it used to be, or it could still be used today for canned orange juice. And we have the ice wraps, the gel packs, and some butter. This pushes back. Lots of frozen food. Okay. Here it's magnetized on this side. I am trying to keep it a lot cleaner looking than my last refrigerator got covered with paperwork. It does have the water filler, but you just press down on it and put a cup underneath to hold the water. And I really like how it holds everything. I've got the dairy butter up there, some jams. Also the alarm is just a twitter, like a purr twitter. It's not sharp like the other Samsung had, so it doesn't really bother me. And if you turn it off, I think you have to do it through an app, is what the guy said yesterday. Here's some eggs, some mustard, ketchup, condiments, mayo, milk, apple juice, and then up here, oh, the back, it's like a honeybee kind of, not textured, but design. And you can see way back there. I had the shelves go like this so I could see better what's up there, a little bit better. And everything else, we added this, all these containers to help just distribute the food better. Now I have this one to fruit, but it's like really cheese in there. And this is rice pudding. Over here's, I have it to fruit again. I don't know, it could go to vegetables. Probably should put it to vegetables. It's neat though. Okay, it's talking to me. That's it. That's the alarm. Nothing terrible. So then you have some temperature selections. Okay. I really like it. And it doesn't seem as much of a struggle to open and close the doors. The other one, the left side on the Samsung, was definitely heavier. So I really like it. Thanks for checking it out with me. Questions? Any questions? Put below. Bye.